This is Erick from Cartesi, and today I would like to give you some updates about what we're doing on our tech side and also discuss a little bit what's going on in the crypto scene. In the last weeks, we saw many changes in the ecosystem. In particular, one of the things we have to mention is the high gas fees that people are paying to use Ethereum. Ethereum's early vision was to give support to a rich ecosystem, not only of DeFi, but several verticals and public goods that would flourish on top of it. Right now, we see basically DeFi applications that only very rich people are able to use. Ethereum has become gentrified. The other day, we had to publish new smart contracts for version 1.1 of our proof-of-stake system. And we were shocked when we saw that we had to pay thousands of dollars to redeploy our contracts. One thing we can conclude from that: Ethereum is not a playground anymore. Ethereum, in fact, has succeeded. This is a proof that Ethereum has succeeded because the high fees come from the fact that there is real usage and real demands from the blockchain. But let's be honest, most users are left outside, and other people who want to play DeFi and other DApps, they are just left outside. Binance Smart Chain got a lot of traction recently because they're giving to users what they want. They are giving low fees and high performance, and all the programmability that developers find on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain can basically give the same. It's important to notice, though, that Binance Smart Chain can only provide that because they are compromising on decentralization. Again, right now, users don't care too much about it. It's gonna get more and more important over time. But the Ethereum ecosystem needs to find solutions to overcome this usability problem that they are facing right now. Rollup solutions and other layer 2 solutions are so vital for Ethereum. Cartesi, because it's implementing rollups, is also gonna help a lot on reducing the fees and providing great scalability, especially when it comes to computational scalability, where Cartesi really shines. However, there is one thing that sets Cartesi apart. We are not a simple scalability solution. In fact, our layer 2 and our rollups is instrumental for us to deliver for the first time a real operating system on top of blockchains. With the Cartesi rollups, we're gonna allow Linux to run on the second layer. That is going to be a breakthrough for the entire space, as existing developers will have much more power of expression to create much more complex DApps, and it will also open the gates for millions of developers that are out there that never programmed for blockchains. They'll be able to use the tools they're used to start developing their DApps. So, of course, we are very excited to pull that off. The other front we've been working as well is to make Delegation available for our proof-of-stake system. Lots of Cartesi token holders want this, as this brings a lot of convenience for people to stake their tokens. And we are also putting a lot of focus in this activity. By the time we have Delegation implemented, we will also be able to have partnerships with several node runner institutions, and that's going to help us to expand even more the Cartesi network of nodes, increasing the security of our infrastructure. By the time Noether, our sidechain, is available on Ethereum, we're already going to have a very secure and robust network of nodes running for Cartesi. Another important thing to mention is that recently we closed our Gitcoin grant program. The 3 projects that we were incubating, they received extra funds through the quadratic funding and from resources coming from outside of Cartesi. These projects are making sound progress in different verticals. Let's recap. Creol is using Cartesi on ARM devices to provide a carbon-neutral solution to buildings that is verifiable and very secure. With Cartesi, Creol is making the data collection and processing verifiable and very difficult to tamper with. SimThunder is using Cartesi to create a NFT marketplace for sim racer car parts. Very cool. Have a look. And finally, Carti has created a package management system for Cartesi, which is going to be very helpful for new DApp developers to create applications using our infrastructure. So we are very grateful to Carti as well. As you probably know, recently we have closed new partnerships and integrations with projects like Avalanche and Elrond. So there is a lot of work to be done in these fronts. Cartesi is going to work well on top of Avalanche, Elrond, and it's already integrated to Polygon, but we're going to have more work with them. We're very excited to make all these integrations, and we are also working on new integrations that we're going to be announcing in the future. That's all I'd like to bring here today. Thanks a lot for your support. We are always open to hear your opinions, your suggestions. If you want to help our project in any way that you like, please let us know. We are always available on Telegram and on Discord. See you next time.